Apple's latest iPad mini, the 4th generation model to be exact, helps to diversify the company's portfolio, which recently got expanded with the introduction of the iPad Pro. But for those looking to keep it slim, compact, and simple, the iPad mini 4 is always worth the look. However, are there enough improvements and upgrades to warrant a refresh, or an incentive to upgrade? The package contains Apple iPad mini 4, wall charger, lightning cable, Apple decals, user's start guide. Design: same premium iPad mini design, but with additional trimmings. Did we really expect anything drastic or different with its design, especially when the iPad line as a whole has its own characteristic look and feel? Not really, but for anyone upgrading from the iPad mini 3 or 2, you might find it a bit surprising to know that your existing set of cases and covers won't be compatible, despite its overall design DNA being relatively unchanged. Technically speaking, the iPad mini 4's dimensions have subtle changes that in many aspects trim off the fat to give it an incremental improvement, like its lighter weight, 304 grams, and slimmer profile, 0.24 inches thin. So yeah, you're going to need to buy new cases for this one. True to its form, it's the same aluminum chassis that we've seen before, with the chamfered beveled edge running the entire perimeter of the tablet. While its design is a recycled one, it's nonetheless still one of the more premium-made tablets on the market, which is a comforting sight to behold. It's thin, incredibly light in weight, and for the most part, it's also easy to handle despite being on the wider side. Everything else about the tablet is unchanged from before, too, so its various ports, buttons, and Touch ID finger sensor are situated in all their usual locations.